In this video, I'll guide you through how to crop PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're looking to clean up your document or focus on specific content, cropping can be a handy tool to master. Let's dive right in and make sure you can do this with ease. First, you'll want to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Once you've done that, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see the All Tools pane there, which is essentially your command center in Acrobat. From this pane, select the option labeled Edit a PDF. This step is crucial as it opens up a suite of editing tools that allow you to manipulate the content of your document, including cropping. Now, once you're in the editing mode, shift your attention to the top of the interface where you'll find the secondary toolbar. Here, you'll see an icon that resembles a cropping tool aptly named Crop Pages. Go ahead and click on this icon. This will enable the cropping feature and transform your cursor into a crosshair. With your cursor now set as a crosshair, you're ready to define the area you wish to keep. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag to draw a rectangle over the specific part of the page you want to retain. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first try, you can always adjust as needed. The rectangle you draw represents the new boundaries of your page, so take your time to ensure it captures everything you want. Once you've drawn your rectangle, it's time to finalize your crop. Double-click inside the cropping rectangle you just created. This action will bring up the Set Page Boxes dialog box, which provides more detailed controls over your crop settings. Here, you'll be able to see the exact margin measurements, allowing you to fine-tune the crop to your precise requirements. In the Set Page Boxes dialog, you'll notice a section labeled Page Range. This is where you can decide whether you want the crop to apply to just the current page, a specific range of pages, or even all pages in the document. If you're working on a multi-page document, this feature is particularly useful as it saves you from having to crop each page individually. Simply select your desired range and the crop will be applied accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped your PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat. This simple yet powerful tool can help you maintain the focus and professionalism of your documents by trimming away unnecessary elements and presenting your content exactly as you want it. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different settings and ranges to find what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching this guide on how to crop PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like or comment below and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat to its fullest potential. Happy editing!